Best value, Klein Tools 94130-1000V Insulated Screwdriver Tool Set. Arguably, the best thing about this Klein Tools 5-piece kit is the value. The 94130-1000V Insulated Screwdriver Set will deliver the ultimate functionality at a reasonable price. Along with the 2 screwdrivers, you'll get 2 pliers and a wire stripper that will cover all your needs. What's more, all tools meet the ASTM F1505 and IEC 60900 standards for high-quality temperature and electrical current insulation. The VDE certification is further proof of the quality of these Klein Tools products. Overall, the toolset comes with 9-inch side cutters, 8-inch diagonal cutters, and a wire stripper. There's also a number 2 slim tip Phillips head and a 1/4-inch cabinet tip screwdriver. The 3-part insulation with an underlayer on the pliers and wire stripper will protect you in all types of tasks. Moreover, the cushioned grip on the screwdrivers really makes a difference in terms of comfort and handling. If you're an electrician or a DIY warrior, you'll love the insulation on all tools. For example, the 9-inch side-cutting pliers feature induction-hardened blades. The 8-inch pliers can effortlessly cut screws, nails, and even hardened wires. What's more, the wire stripper will strip and cut 8 to 16 AWG solid and 10 to 18 AWG stranded wires. If you want to shear screws, you'll have no problems with sizes of 6 to 32 and 8 to 32. Let's not forget about the screwdrivers. The slim tip number 2 Phillips and a 1/4-inch cabinet tips will prove extremely handy in restricted spaces. Apart from the ergonomic grip, the high-quality blades will prevent nicking insulation. For nearly $100, this Klein Tools combo will easily fit in every pro's essentials. If you're on a budget, you'll really love this Klein Tools 8-in-1 insulated screwdriver kit. The combo includes a handle with 8 different tips, 2 5.75-inch and 3 3.5-inch double-ended blades. Perhaps the set's best feature is its space-saving design, but there's undoubtedly much more to it. The Interchangeable 1000V multi-shaft system can replace a total of 8 individual drivers. This makes the package not only space-saving but also quite versatile. What users get are bright orange-colored items in a convenient small bag in terms of comfort and functionality. That way, the insulated screwdrivers will stand out from the rest. But what's more important is the cushion grip handle and the 5 blades. They include 2 number 2 Phillips blades, 1 number 1 Phillips blade, 2 1/4-inch slotted and a 3/16-inch slotted blades, versatile enough to cover all needs. That's enough to cover all types of tasks. What's more, the long and slim knives will allow you to get better access in limited spaces. One feature that will amaze you is the handle lock. Even though it's a simple mechanism, Klein Tools have made sure it's firm enough not to budge. For example, if you try to push the blade into the handle, it will lock in automatically. You'll experience the same ease when turning the collar and releasing the lock to pop the knife up. Of course, this mechanism isn't completely foolproof. The shaft will easily pop out if you use a second hand. Still, it's a pure bargain for small electrical tasks. Besides, the price of a mere $50 makes it relatively affordable for everyone.